Welcome to Station Park Green. Today I'll be showing you around one of our one-bedroom floor plans. We call this floor plan the Fur. It's an open floor plan and it is 723 square feet. First, I'll show you over here to the kitchen. So the kitchen has quartz countertops, mosaic tile backsplash, and brand new stainless steel appliances. As you can see, this floor plan, actually all of our floor plans have engineered hardwood flooring, and also all of our apartment homes come with in-home full-size washer and dryer. Next, I'll take you into the bathroom. Walk this way. So as you can see, it is very spacious. We have a soaking tub, bathtub shelving, and more storage here for your linens. And we have additional storage here underneath the sink, plenty of kitchen drawers, and also an additional medicine cabinet. And next, I'll show you the bedroom. But first, I'll show you this coat closet right here. As you can see, they're very, very deep, nice, and spacious coat closets. And we'll go this way into the bedroom. Our bedrooms here have plenty of space. As you can see, look at all the spaces our bedroom has. And I'll show you our huge walk-in closet right this way. So, plenty of space for all your clothing, your shoes, and any extra storage you may need. So that is our Fur floor plan here at Station Park Green. Hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm gonna ask you to leave because I will take a nap now. Bye.